location on your Honda CRV. So open the hood, and on the top right corner, this is the fuse box, this is the windshield. You're gonna find it over here. It has this logo on the top. It has a yellow top. Unscrew it. Unscrew it. I'll put links in the description towards where to get the fluid that works with your Honda. So check my links down below. It's usually cheaper than going to the dealer. Never overfill it, so you have a max line and a minimum, so better stop around here. And once you finish, this is just a filter, by the way, that you can also remove, but the liquid should go through it, so don't worry about it. Simply screw back the cap and make sure it's tight. Perfect. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, check my Amazon links to get your fluid, and I'll see you in the next one.